Hello and welcome to School Smarts. In my much larger video about APA 7th edition format, I covered the entire paper from stem to stern, from the title page to the abstract page to the body, reference sections, tables and figures, appendices. I talk about how to use sources and how to format the citations in the text and the references in the reference section. In this short video, I'm just going to be talking about how do you build the header that goes on every page of a 7th edition APA format paper. And I've got videos on how to do it on a Mac using Word and also on a PC using Word, but some of my students use Google Docs. So here's how to do it in Google Docs. The header for APA 7th edition format needs to be all capitals, 50 characters or less, including spaces. And those words should be taken from the title. It's a short title, if you will. So here for my bogus paper, it says my paper title, in title case, bold, centered, right? That's the title of this hypothetical paper. So my running head would be maybe something like my paper title, right? It's shorter, it comes from the title itself. To edit a header, I'll double click up in the very top part of the page, and now I can edit the header. Remember, it's all capitals. And the way you would count this is MY, that's 2, the space, that's a third character. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, space is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 characters. So I could make it considerably longer if I want to. The next thing I should do is I should insert a tab stop up here for the right margin. So I'm going to right click up in the ruler and I'm going to add right tab stop. Now that's not quite at the margin. You have 1-inch margins in an APA paper, so you'll have 6.5 inches worth of text in an 8.5-inch wide paper. So here we go. I've set this tab over here, and then I'm going to put some spaces out here, and then I'm going to go to Insert, Page Numbers, and see here there's an option that has page 1 and page 2 have a number on them, an option that only has the title page doesn't have a page, and it starts on one later. We want the one where every page has a page number, even the title page. That's how APA works. So we put that in here, but it needs to be right justified, whereas the running head needs to be left justified. But see, I put that tab stop in there, so now I can tab over to it. Boom, I go right there, and I'm on the right margin. It's best to do it exactly the way I've talked about and not hit a bunch of spaces to put it out there, because if you put the spaces out there, when you get to page 10, now there's 2 digits, it's going to wrap around and it's going to end up underneath your running head, a line below it. And you do not want that. You always want it on the top line. I can show you, you can verify if this is going to work once you've done it. If you hit Command Enter on a Mac or Control Enter on a PC, it gives you a new page. So here's my new page, paper title 2, paper title 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And look, I've verified that once I get to 2 digits, it's not wrapping around and ending up underneath my running head. So I know I've built this running head properly. Now I can go on any particular page, I can go back in and edit that page. Like, so if I have my title page partly formed, but there's a bunch of other things that go on this in my title page video, you can see that, or in the full video, you can see that chapter of it. But I can go to any page. See, I could go here to this page and start editing it, right? Just start right away, right below the header, and you off to the races. You've got the right header on every single page. If you're using 6th edition APA format, the first page header is different from the other headers, but in the 7th edition, they've streamlined it to have the same header on every page. I hope this stands you in good stead and you get a great grade on your paper. God bless you. And if you thought this helped you, like and subscribe School Smarts. Thanks.